Hey there, today I'm showing you the FreeSea Compact Light Stand. It is a little unique in that it is, like a lot of their products, it folds inside out for the legs, which lets you bring it down into like a normal tripod, but also at various widths. I mean, you literally can get it way wide like this, but once you come back up like this and you can snap it back, it reduces itself down to 20 inches. And it's only 2.2 pounds. Aluminum. There's a carbon fiber version as well. But what's really cool about this thing is the lightweight, very strong. It feels really good, and it will fit in a backpack or a suitcase, that sort of thing. And I just wanted to show you, it comes with multiple sections here to expand. So like you've got, just your typical leg expansion here, or your pole expansion. These just snap shut and they're really tight. And I gotta say, it's really handy. It's not, you don't have to like deal with carrying big old stands that if you don't need them. This will hold, it says up to 4.4 pounds. I think it'll hold a lot more because it's definitely sturdy enough too. But according to the manufacturer, it's 4.4 pounds load, and I want to encourage you to stick with that, but I wouldn't be afraid to put a little bit more than that. And on the end, you've got your standard light mount, but you can unscrew this little cap, as with most light stands, and you have a 1/4-20, which you could put a small ball head, a light modifier, ring light, anything like that would fit on here perfectly well. And I just have to say, it is very well made. I'm very happy with it. I'm going to take this with me on my trips because normally I have to take a tripod or something, and I'm really not using anything heavy. And this will be perfect. And it is light. You're not going to weigh down your bag if you're checking your bags. But it's all metal, all aluminum, and it's really strong. And it looks attractive too with the purple accents. So all in all, I just wanted to show this to you real quick, and as with other FreeSea products, I'm very pleased with it and can highly recommend it. So check one out if it's something you might be in the market for. Thanks.